Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes. Today I am going to explain you about the climatic zones of the Earth. So before we studied about the map and globe in our last class, so how it helping us in our life, map and globe. Map, it will show whole world map or any India or any country map or state map. In world map means in globe we see it is the model of the earth. We see only one part of the globe or map. Then again one side we want to see means we have to turn it. Then only we can see the another side. But on map we can see easily at a time full world map. So this is the difference between the globe and map. This one I explained you in last class. Then again after that I explained about the longitude and latitude. So longitude means lines that are it is horizontal lines, then vertical lines, that is the latitude. So these lines are called the longitude and latitude. So that lines helping us to know the where is our country or continent is situated. So this one I explained in last class. So now I am going to explain you about the climate zone of the earth. So here climate, it is two important us. First, seasons. In climate, it will come the first seasons. So seasons. You know everyone, children. Seasons. It will change. First winter, then rainy, then sorry, winter, rainy season, summer season. These all seasons you know. No. So first summer season, then rainy season, then winter season. So here seasons are changing. Why it will happen? Here is the this is the earth means world globe. Here is the sun's rays are coming. So seasons. When this our earth is little bit rotating, how it will rotate? First revolution, day and night. Then whole 1 year it will happening slowly, slowly. First it will take slowly one rotation. Then it will happen in the day and night. Then slowly, slowly like this only it will moving. It will take 1 year. So when it will moving slowly, slowly day and night, then it will changing the its position. Then how? So slowly the world, this globe, it will slowly it changing, rotating. Then morning, evening, like this it will happen slowly, slowly. Then slowly, why it will happen means sun rays are coming direct on the earth. So this is the equator line. So when it will come on the earth, it will face this side, and this is the daytime. Then slowly it will move. It will becoming time is slowly passing. How morning to noon, then slowly it will evening, then it will slowly night it will happen. Like this, it will slowly turning, rotating. So here, when it will rotating, day and night will occur. Then slowly, slowly, how it will moving, our earth slowly it will turn. Then it will show the how much days it will pass. Like that, the sun rays also little bit changing because our earth is little slowly, slowly it will change. Then seasons are changing. So first starting the summer season. At that time, the sun's rays are too much coming on the earth, that side. So that which side is receiving more sunlight, then it will become it is have the summer. Then slowly, slowly, how it will changing? Slowly, slowly, then climate also changing. Then slowly, rainy season will start. Then afterwards, slowly, 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 it will turn. Then rainy season, then winter season. Like this, 1 year it will complete. So it will take this earth. It had to rotate full one turn. It had from here to here. It had turned slowly. Means it will take 1 year. So in at that time, slowly when it will moving, it rotating. Then day and night will passing. Then the seasons also changing. When summer season you know, at that time sun rays are too much coming that side, that area, it will face the sun rays. Then that area is have the summer season. Then slowly it will turn. It will take 3 or 4 months. Starting 2 months, then slowly 3 months, 4 months. 4 months, 1 month season. Is it no children? So here sun, it will coming on that side directly. Then that part is will have the summer season. Then again slowly rainy season. Then slowly it will change winter season. So here, like this, it will change in the season. What causes the season? Why the seasons are changing here? Seasons are changing like this. Then why? Why means here sun rays are here. Then that part is receiving the sun rays directly. Then it is facing the direct sun rays, then it will started the summer season because the earth is rotating daily, but its face is near sun rays and here they are receiving the sun rays. So that's why it will take the time slowly turning it, then it will complete the period. Then that period is over means summer season is over, then rainy season is started. Then after that, like this only it will start it. One by one, it will changing it. Then we face these two movements, rotation and revolution. By the help of this rotation revolution, we getting the season, rainy season and summer season. So here, one hemisphere, for example, here half of this one half of this north and this south. Here it will turn eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So this one slowly it will turn. Then which hemisphere is facing the sun rays? That hemisphere is getting the seasons. That season. For example, eastern hemisphere it will facing the sun rays directly at that time. This hemisphere is receiving. This hemisphere is have the summer season and western hemisphere it have the maybe winter season because it is the opposite like this it will changing slowly. So here which hemisphere it will turn slowly again it will slow this one slow by this way it will turn slowly. Our earth is slowly rotating like this slowly this way. So slow by like this, all parties receiving slowly one by one sun rays, and according to the sun rays of the sun, the climate or seasons are changing here. So now climate. Now the climate. How the climate? So here climate it will take the time to changing. For example, first, here revolution leads the season. This one you know that. Now climate. This climate is the weather condition. Here conditions. Here weather. Our climate. For example, the sun rays are coming more on this side. So here the climate is changed hot because that weather it will showing that it is the hot. So here the climate it will become the hot and little bit up place it is receiving less sun rays. So here the climate is not too much hot. It is cool. Means medium, not hot or not cool it is. So here weather condition of an area recorded over the long period. Here the weather's condition it will record a long time weather we can say the weather it is as tomorrow we can see in the TV our weather. So they are saying that tomorrow weather condition is like this, maybe we receive more rainfall that this, but climate suddenly it will change, it not taking time, it will change suddenly. Maybe air is blowing more means the climate will change. Suddenly we feeling very nice climate when we have the more sun rays, sun hot. At that time, suddenly air is blowing means the climate is too nice and cool. We want to play outside. Is it? Because it is nice weather, but sorry climate. But weather already they are informing us. So what will happen? Maybe rain coming or hot. That one they are saying. But climate it will suddenly changing. Okay. Now here then factors affecting the climate of a place. Here the factors here changing the climate. So here these are the factors. Distance from the equator, high above the sea level, then wind and humidity. These all are the factors changing the climate. Here, climate, how it will change? Normally, climate is moving up, but suddenly this climate it will change by the maybe air is blowing, or maybe suddenly clouds are happening means then rain will start, then climate will change. So by this way, here it will happen. Now, first point we are going to study, that is the distance from the equator. Here, distance from the equator. Which places are here distance from the equator? Here distance. Here near this equator, they are receiving more sunlight, sun rays. So that place is too hot. But other places, those who are little far from the sun equator and direct sun rays, so they are receiving less sun rays and they climate also normal, not hot, not less cool. So here, which places are receiving the equators means sun rays, that is too hot these all places. Whereas here, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, these places are receiving little less sun rays. So here, these places are moderate, not hot, not cool. Here climate is very nice, not hot, not cool. They're receiving properly rainfalls, receiving sunrise properly. So this way, here these two places are little far from the equator. So here these places are moderate. The climate, the temperature, everything. Here they not have more temperature. But whereas this Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle and Arctic Circle, they are not receiving more sun rays. So here, these places are cool. Here they are not getting more sunlight or sun rays. So that's why here cool, these areas are not getting more heat. So that's why here too cool. Here these two places covered by the ice only. And but here, Tropic of Capricorn, this place is in southern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn, Cancer it will northern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn it is in southern hemisphere. So these two hemispheres are moderate. Middle line, that is the equator, it is too hot. Which countries or which continents are coming in the equator line that are receiving two sun rays? So it is too hot, they are receiving too much sunlight, means hotness, and they are receiving rainfall also more, because whole day they receive the hot from the sun rays, and at night again they will receive the rain. So by this way, here in equator, more sun, by the sun of the more light is receiving heat, and remaining part of in southern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn, they receiving less sunlight or sun rays. Then it is not hot, not cool, it is moderate, very nice climate they have. So here we can grow any nice crops. Which type of crops are growing here according to that climate and the seasons. But here, whereas equator line, there are more deserts are there. Sahara Desert, Third Desert, that all coming here only, because Africa it is covered four hemispheres: northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, eastern and western. Middle it is Africa. So it have the too much hot climate. And again, whereas up northern hemisphere, they are Tropic of Capricorn. Here, this is also very nice and well climate. So because why means here the rays are not directly coming on the, it is slanting rays. It receives the slanting rays. So here it will complete. So okay, high above the sea level. So here, which areas are high above the sea level? They are receiving the moderate temperature. So here, which areas are high above the sea level? They are the cooler place. They are because they are near, not they are near. For example, here is the sea. So from here it will receive. So this is the place. So they are the high above the sea level. So here these places are receiving the moderate. Means they are not hot or not cool. They are medium. But the above from the sea level, too much for that areas are cool, whereas the near the sea level sea areas, that is little bit hot area because they are receiving little bit hot. So here next point, distance from the sea. So here those areas are distance from the sea. See, near the sea little bit areas have, from near a sea they are getting less humidity, but little bit far above the sea. It means little, not more. So they're getting the breeze, sea breeze. We are calling that sea breeze. Near the sea, we not. Little bit far means like after the beach or one small town or village like this is. So after that we can see the sea breeze. Means that sea when it will blowing the air, it will take it with it water vapor. So it will become the sea breeze. So like this. Then next high above the sea level. Over this high above the sea level. Here, high above the sea level. So this place is located above the sea level. So that's why here they are receiving the cooler places because it is the high, this little far from the sea. So here Mumbai, it is the cooler. Then here, for example, Shimla, it is cool. Then the Mumbai, it is the near to the sea. Everyone, you know that many children you maybe saw the Mumbai and you went to the beaches also. So in beaches you can see there how the climate is it. Yes, there is hot climate, medium cold climate. Whereas here, our towns, if we are getting little bit rain, we feel the cool because our areas are far from the sea level. But whereas near the sea level, they are getting little bit hotness, moderate. They're not getting the more cool. But whereas for example, here we are giving the example, near the sea, Mumbai, far from the sea, Shimla, it is too far, but it is the cool. Why? Because there is far from the sea and they are near to the mountains. Which mountains? Ice mountains, that is the, it is near to the Kashmir, Shimla. So it is near to the Himalaya. And but whereas that is it's okay. But other places also, Mumbai, it is too hot. But whereas little bit our states means maybe Karnataka or other place. So that in Karnataka also, Udupi, it is also a little bit hot near the sea it is. So that with sea areas, coastal, in shortly, coastal areas, they are the moderate, little bit hot they are. But above from the sea level, we are receiving the cool. So here, so this is the difference both of them. Okay, then here in Tropic of Cancer, it is also far from the sun rays. It is far from the equator. So here, this area also getting the slight rays of the sun. Here also, climate is very well. Here not have the more hot or less moderate. So here we can getting nice crops and these areas have a good countries, good crops they are growing up and down. It's northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So here, Tropic of Capricorn, it will coming in southern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn, Cancer, it will come on northern hemisphere. So this one is, these areas are far from the sun rays. It is not direct to sun. So equator, it is the direct to sun. Which places are coming on the equator line, they are receiving more hot, and which areas are coming in Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer, they are receiving less sun rays, so means less hot. Here, these areas are very nice. These areas have a nice climate. So here we can see this hot and less. According to this, we can understand that how the seasons and climate will happening. When the earth is slowly rotating, at that time day and night will happen. When earth is taking the revolution, it will call the 1 year's revolution means. So at that time seasons are happening. Then again here Arctic circle and Antarctic circle. So these two circles not receiving more sun rays, so they are cool. Not only cool, they are too much cool. How your fridge have the freezer up part like that. These two parts also same thing. Why? Means you are not receiving the sun rays. So here it is too much cool place. It covered by the ice, both part. So both poles, North Pole and South Pole, they when it rotating, it will getting little less sun rays. So they are the coolest place. And here again, wind and humidity. When wind is blowing, when slowly wind is blowing from the sea, then from sea it will blow means near the place they are getting the hot wind. But little bit far it will move, then it will become the cool. So that area it will getting the humidity means wet area. So here when summer season at a time we will get the hot air near the sea area. Above from the sea we getting the cool. For example, when we are sitting near the any swimming pool or pond any, so at that time we are not getting the when air is blowing at that time we are not getting the cool air, but little far we are moving from that, the air it will come so nice, so cool. Why? Because it is little bit far. When air is blowing from that water, it will take the hotness little bit far, it will become the slowly cool. Why? Because it is the wind, means wind, it will blowing, started blowing from the water. When it will happen means in the summer season, when water it will become hot by the sun rays. So at that there at that place we not receiving the cool air. Little bit far, it will when it will come in blowing slowly far, then we will getting the cool. So by this way here we getting the cool wind, then we will getting the wet. So again one example, when we are sitting near down of the fan, so straightly it will give the hot air. So again in straightly there only we are keeping little bit wet cloth, it's down that fans, then that fan it will give the directly little bit less cool air, but side of that we getting cool. Why? Means slowly when wind is moving far, then we getting the humidity, little bit wet area, wet cool wind. So by this way it will happening, wind and humidity. So for example, Mumbai they are getting the hot air because they are near the sea, whereas little bit far above from that areas after that then they are the getting cool wind. So like this it will happening here in this chapter. I explained you about the climate zones of the means here how the it will happening by the sun rays how it will coming on the earth, it will changing the rotating the earth, then slowly it will occurring means seasons are happening, summer season, rainy season, then winter season, like this. So this is your lesson. Here I am completing my lesson. Maybe you all understood the lesson. So thank you, children. In next class, I will explain other point. So thank you. Stay safe in your home. God bless you.